2003 Something strange started happening in a small town in North Carolina, and now people still talk about it today. A deep vibrating hum began shaking houses every night, and then families said the sound felt like it was coming from inside the ground, not from the sky. People could hear the hum, but they could not find the source, and now listen to this. Even when the sound was loudest, radar and sound detectors showed nothing at all. The military denied any activity nearby, and then scientists tested the area and still found no machine, no engine, and no geological movement that could create the hum. Some residents said the sound stopped instantly whenever they stepped outside, and then it would start again when they returned indoors. After months of fear, confusion, and no answers, people began leaving the town, and now the strangest part: the hum suddenly stopped one night and it has never returned. Even today no one knows what caused it. And now follow for more real American history mysteries.